Did you know that nearly out of three adults in the US have high blood pressure, but more than half don't know it, according to the CDC? Or that uncontrolled high blood pressure increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, as well as kidney disease based off of the AHA. So, why do they call hypertension a silent killer? Let's get into it. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. If you're interested, I have completed an entire webinar just for you for hypertension. If you're interested about holistic strategies for hypertension, go ahead and click the link below, and there's a free webinar. You'll definitely get a lot of really awesome information. All right, so let's talk about why hypertension is the silent killer. So, high blood pressure often has no symptoms. So, unfortunately, the symptom is the heart attack. And so, serious damage can occur without people really knowing. It silently damages the arteries and organs over time. And so, let's talk about some of the long-term health risks that can lead to heart disease, vision loss, and even cognitive decline. And so, sometimes people are not paying attention. Oftentimes, people are not paying attention. Anyone can be at risk. But we also know that genetics, lifestyle, and diet play a major role. So people, let's say, that have NOS variants or CBS variants, or people that are chronically dehydrated and don't drink enough water, or people that eat high sodium diets, those are all contributing factors. Not the only factor, though. And so how do you detect this early? So regular blood pressure readings at home, right? When you're relaxed, not when you're in the doctor's office, but when you're relaxed, and consistent readings over time begin to tell you what your averages are, and then you can make some adjustments for there. If you're looking for even more strategies for your hypertension, go ahead and click the link in the bio. There is a webinar in there for you just to allow you to learn a little bit more about hypertension, about the impacts, about the risks, testing that's available, and naturally things that you can do in order to help you live naturally. So go ahead and comment any of your questions below. I'm happy to answer them.